Get some rice up, about a cup. Got about a pound or so of burger. A half a big, huge onion. It's probably like a regular size onion. Got my peppers ready. Put a little bit of olive oil spray in the bottom so it doesn't stick. Level them out a little bit so they're straight. You know, they won't tip over. That one's perfect. That one needed a little slice on the bottom. That one did too. Probably should have just did 6, but anyways, got my ingredients over here. Some peppers, some Danish, I don't know about chives, cayenne, or definitely doing this blackened seasoning, some salt, some garlic, a little bit of sauce, some cheese. Yep. Just cook this up, and then I'll start putting the ingredients in. Alright, so preheat the oven to 350, and then I'm going to put the peppers in there just like this for 15 minutes just to get them started while I'm cooking this. Got all this chopped up with my burnt spatula, whatever you want to call it. Get it all nice and chopped up. Don't have to get it fully cooked. And start sticking the seasonings in. I just guesstimate. Got that. Pepper. Got it down to low now because I don't want it to cook too fast. Salt. Good enough. Let's stick the garlic, some Danish in there. I'll stick some garlic in there. Got that going. Get some garlic. Can never have too much garlic. Cheese, ham, I'm gonna dump the rice in there, all that. Dumped my cup of cooked rice in there. Mix everything together with all the seasonings, garlic. Get it all mixed up. I'll throw a little bit of sauce in there, Publix. Alright, I put the sauce in. It'll look good like that. Then I put some more Parmesan cheese in. I'm gonna mix that all together. I get the peppers in there ahead of time for 15 minutes on 350, and then I'll pull them out. And this is cooling down. Then I'll stuff the peppers. All right, I scooped all that inside the peppers. Add a little bit of sauce and some sauce on around it, just so it wasn't dry there. I added a little water to the jar. Just put it in there. Now I'll cover it up and bake it 350 for about 45 minutes. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that finished product. Yeah.